Bamford Castle, also known as Castle Bamford, is a lesser-known historical site located in Goslingstown within the parish of Castleinch, just south of Kilkenny City, Ireland. This castle, though now in ruins, has a rich history intertwined with several prominent families and significant events, origins and early ownership. The area where Bamford Castle stands was originally known as Knockelgan, derived from the Irish meaning Hill of the Standing Stone. This name references a notable pillar stone in the vicinity. Over time, the townland's name evolved to Bamford, influenced by the castle's presence. In the medieval period, the castle was associated with the Wall family, a prominent Anglo-Norman lineage in Kilkenny. Subsequently, ownership transitioned to families such as the Comerfords and Fitzgeralds, each leaving their mark on the estate. The Barton era. A significant chapter in Bamford Castle's history began in 1662, when Cornet George Barton was granted the estate under the Act of Settlement. The Barton family's association with the castle extended into the 18th century, with George Barton's descendants maintaining the property and influencing local affairs, architectural features and legacy. While specific architectural details of Bamford Castle are scarce due to its current ruined state, historical records suggest it was a typical Norman stronghold. Its strategic location near Kilkenny City implies it played a role in regional defence and governance, modern connections and community efforts. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in Bamford Castle. Local communities have undertaken initiatives to document and preserve the history of Castleinch and its environs. Publications such as Castleinch Kilkenny: Connections Through Time highlight the area's rich heritage and the castle's role within it. Additionally, social media platforms have become avenues for sharing personal anecdotes and historical insights about the castle. Conclusion. Bamford Castle, though not as renowned as some of Ireland's grand fortresses, remains a testament to the country's layered history. From its early associations with notable families to its enduring legacy and local folklore, the castle embodies the rich tapestry of Kilkenny's past. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment, and a sub would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.